Should I say hello YouTube? Hello whatever. Okay, this is I guess I gotta be anonymous. Yeah, this is Dollar Electronics. Again, this is my second video, so today we have a Mazda. Yeah, that's a Mazda. What year is it again? If I can remember, the customer says it's a 2000. Yep, that's it. 2000 Mazda. And the customer complaint is no start. So let's see what we got. If that's the problem. Sometimes they'll be like, "There's a no start," and it would be the problem. It would just be a start. Okay, that's cranking. It's cranking, and then checking the engine light is on. Okay, so first thing first, what we're gonna do is check for spark. Actually, I'm gonna leave you guys in the dark on this one, because I don't have a hand here. If I need somebody to crank the car for me, but I guess I don't know if I can hold the camera and crank at the same time. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we do have spark. So that's a good sign. Next, let me take this socket off the okay. Now we gotta check for injection pulse. Let's see. I wanna take a different direction on this one. What we got here is so it's if okay. All right, let's see if we can get a pause on that one. Sorry about that. Okay, I just put a noise light on this socket here, because the first pin would be very positive from the key, and the second one is the ground from the computer to the injector. So we should have a pulse from that one. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. We gotta turn this light off so that we can get a clear view of the noise light flashing to see if there's a pulse. Oh, okay. See that flashing? That's a good sign too. So that shows that the injectors are working. We got pulse. Next, what we need to do is check for foil. So we got spark and injection. So those of you working on this kind of Mazdas, fuel pump relay is hard to locate, so I'm gonna show you the location. Is this one right here. That's the fuel pump relay. So all you gotta do is next take the fuel pump relay out and check for positive. We got positive here, positive here. This one's supposed to be from the key, and this one is a constant positive. Okay, this one. That is, I guess. Yeah, that's from the fuel pump. That's from the fuel pump. And this is supposed to be from the computer. At ground from the computer. Now what we're gonna do is take the noise light and see if we're gonna have a pulse from the computer to the fuel pump relay. I don't know if the noise light gonna fit in this spot here. Alright, looks like I don't know, man. I think we just gotta leave it right there. Let's see. I'll switch off this thing again. Now let's see if we have a flash. Alright, I don't have to tell you what the problem is then. That's from the computer. And this means that there's no pulse from the PCM to the fuel pump relay. So now let's do a trick here. Let's jump the fuel pump relay and see if the car will start or not. Oh man, it's freezing out here, man. It's really freezing. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's freezing in Detroit. Okay, we got it. So what I'm doing is I'm just jumping the power pin to the fuel pump pin, and that goes to the fuel pump. Let's see if this car will start. Okay, let's pray. 1, 2, 3. Are you serious? Okay. Okay, that tells us our problem. So now, that's it. And now we finally found our problem. That's ground. So this pin here is from the computer. It's a ground. Ground. It's like, I think should be a transistor that goes on and off inside the computer that supplies this pin here ground. To energize this relay here so that the fuel pump can run. And that's it. So I hope you guys learned something out of it. So what I'm gonna do next is change the computer box, because I'm convinced that that transistor is fried. So That's it. Replace a new computer, and I'm 100% sure that will fix my problem. So that's it, YouTube. So I started the car, and I showed you how to bypass the fuel pump in case if the computer is not energizing the relay. I hope you guys learned a new thing here. So that's it for now. Subscribe for my next video. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.